Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the RegSvr32 pop-up you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that the module failed to load. Make sure that the binary is stored at the specified path or debug it to check for problems with the binary or dependent DLL files. The specified module could not be found. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video here, guys. First one's a DISM scan, so go ahead and copy that and paste it into the command prompt by right-clicking on the top bar of it. Select edit and paste it in and hit enter. Give us a couple minutes to run. And once it has concluded, go ahead and copy the second command. In the description of my video, it's in System File Checker Utility Scan, and paste it in and run it as well. And once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.